So right now I'm here beside one of the lateral inlets. They call it a broken U because there's an inlet there and there's a flat area, then the main inlet, another flat area, and then the inlet. So if you notice, there's a mechanism, there's an electric motor, winch and pulley system. So the opening and closing of the foul flaps is automated. So depending on the airflow required, this can close or open. So again, this is the floor. There's a GI framing, and then there's this plastic screen material. This is the floor. This is what it looks like before cleaning, right after pulling out the chickens after harvest. So as you can see, it's very clean because all the droppings go down to the bottom. There's a, from the surface of the flooring to the surface of the concrete floor below is 1.8 meters. So there's the electric motors that control the vent covers, or cowl flaps as I like to call it. So at the side it's about, I'd say 1.6 meters, but it's higher in the middle. And then there's GI sheets like a ceiling, so that the airflow for aerodynamics.
Kasi ang ball, tingin ko, hindi siya